What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackathons. We're going to be looking at the silliest, the most ridiculous projects that I saw last week, so let's get into it. First up, we have Sean Hu's web scraper. Now, Sean Hu went out and he scraped the hackingtons.com website, specifically the teacher page, because I see Robin here, I see Emmanuel here, I see Natalie here. Let's see if Sean was able to scrape everybody. Let's go back up to the top. I think me and Matt are at the very top. Matt Hyland, Master Pooper / CEO. I don't think that's his official title. Wait, I'm a Master Pooper too? Excuse me? This is really cool. So what Sean did is he scraped the site and then grabbed the co-founder word and replaced it with Master Pooper. Awesome job, Sean. Just a round of applause for the creativity there. Great job. Here we have Tyche N's incredible joke website. So why don't scientists trust atoms? Well, why wouldn't a scientist trust an atom? Because they can't see them. Well, I guess they can see them with like math. Because they had a really bad experience reading comic books and Captain Atom exploded and killed a bunch of people. No, that's not it. All right, let's show the answer. Because they make up everything. Oh, the cringe! Oh, awesome job, Tyche. I think that goes on the top 10 cringy jokes of the best of. I think that's right up there near the top. Awesome job. Here we have Karen C2's Coconut blog. Now, I saw this on the showcase and I read Coconut blog. That might be interesting. So, a blog about, I don't know what I expected, but I did not expect an entire blog dedicated to just coconuts. Were you on the tropical island too long? Do your parents farm coconuts? Like, why is there an entire blog dedicated to coconuts? But even though it's silly and it's ridiculous, which I love that you are Mr. Coconut. Mr. Coconut is the one that is creating this blog. Which, I don't know, that's kind of scary. It's Mr. Coconut, but there's a broken coconut as the top image. Anyways, the website also just looks really good. So even though it's ridiculous, it's done very well, which I love. Awesome job, Karen. I'm very, very excited to read more about your coconuts. And that's it for the Best of Hackathons. Go out there, build amazing stuff, guys. I can't wait to see what you build.